Hello students. So today we will start the evolution of operating system in today's video. So in the first generation of the computer, I mean 1945 to 55, at that time the system were having not operating system. So it was a difficult process or cumbersome process to operate the computer system. But gradually the operating system has been developed, and nowadays due to this evolutions of operating system, computer has become very flexible, has become very user friendly due to the highly sophisticated operating systems development. Okay, so operating system is a system program that manages the coordinates, all the peripherals, those that are connected with the computer system. Just watch this video. This is the operating system that controls these devices like disk drive, mouse, printer, keyboard, monitor, and also there are so many application programs. The controls, the coordinates, these input, output devices. Okay, so it is a system software. It provides a software platform on which application program can be run. It provides a platform, okay, to the user where the application program can be easily run. So the coordinates, it controls all the peripheral devices. And if you think the functions of operating system, just look at this diagram. These are tasks of operating system. It manages all files and folders that are stored in the computer system, and also it recognizes all peripheral devices, external devices. Okay, and also it manages memory, that is the share out system memory. It handles system errors, alert user, and manages system security. It also allows software to communicate with hardware. There are many hardware that are connected with the system that will also controlled. Okay, and also it moves data to from the hard disk. That means we can store data into the hard disk or a secondary storage device. Also a user can retrieve data from this secondary storage devices. Okay, so these are the all functions, all tasks. These are tasks are performed by this operating system. So gradually this operating system is going on developed. Okay, at the first time operating system was not installed in the first generations of the computer. So due to this operating system, the processing speed, processing capabilities has increased. Okay, and the productivity of the computer will also increased, and system efficiency, system become more efficient. Okay, due to this sophisticated operating system development. That means the system has so many resources, those that are connected with the computer, that will be properly utilized. So resource utilization has become also increased. So this is the operating system evolution. So this operating system may process the task like serial or concurrent. Serial processing means one program when successfully run, after completion of this run of this program, then next program will be executed. That means execution of a program, that is serially basis, one after another. After completion of one program, then second program will be executed. But it will be a very time taking and cumbersome process. We will discuss. Then concurrently we want to process many instructions, many programs at same time. That means the all resources of the computer system may be indicated to a single program until it completes in case of serial processing. Okay, so there are two types of processing we will discuss. One is your serial processing, another one is your concurrent processing. In case of serial processing, all resources are dedicated to a single program. Means a single program will be run at a time, at once, means at same time, a single program will be run. After completion of this program, then second program will be going to execute. In case of concurrently processing, all resources or dedicated devices are used for several programs in different stages. Means at same time, many programs can be run, can be executed at same time. So there are two types of processing. If you think the evolutions, in case of single processing, and just comparing single processing and concurrent processing, these factors will be affected. Processing capability will be increased in case of batch processing or concurrently processing, or productivity also increased in concurrently processing rather than single processing, and also system efficiency. Okay, also system efficiency is increased in concurrent processing than single processing. And in case of concurrent processing, resource utilization will be better. That means system will be more efficient, okay, and user friendly as compared to single processing. Okay, now we will discuss about the serial processing or single processing. In case of serial processing, at a time a single program will be executed. Thus this serial processing, every computer system may be a program in its machine language with no system software supports, and this programming of a base machine was customarily for early computer system. So this serial processing was used in earlier computer system. What is very difficult, where it is not so user friendly, and we'll have to work with machine language. That is too difficult. Only computer scientists, only some computer talented persons, professionals were able to operate with the computer system at this time. So operating system, you think, which was first introduced in second generations of the computer system. In the first generation of the computer system, there was no operating system at all, so no stored program. After the development of register and registers that are used in computer, then some storing capability is increased or used. So operating system at that time introduces. So operating system introduced in the second generations of the computer. Okay. So in serial processing and concurrent processing, we will just compare. Okay. So operating system, you know, it is a resource manager. It executes all instructions. Okay. Then execution controller, and also it manages all resources, and also program controller, it controls, and it coordinates all operations of the computer system. Okay, so this is all about the computer operating systems evolutions, basically two categorized. We have written in your copy single processing and concurrent processing. Single processing, where all resources are dedicated to a single program, that is the serial processing. It was run with the machine language, and it is very earlier systems, operating system, that is too difficult. Okay, so these programs based on the machine can be developed by manually translating sequence of instruction into binary or similar like that. So as computer uses it's a machine language, that is a binary language. So these systems were based on binary language earlier, okay, or assembly language gradually developed. So to develop a program in binary language was too difficult. Okay, so that is the bare machine programming. Bare machine programming means programming by using machine language, bare machine programming. Then a result, low productivity. Due to this serial processing, the productivity has become low of both user and hardware. And processing is a quite slow processing. Okay, and it is very difficult or cumbersome due to execution of a single program. So at same time, a single program were able to be executed. Okay, in case of serial processing, we are discussing about the serial processing. Okay, so this machine approach is not efficient for processing. So in case of single processing, only one program, one process will be executed at a time. That means whenever it completes, that means after completion of a program, then second program will be executed. And also due to this serial processing, we will have low resource utilization. Okay, low resource utilization for system resources. What are the resources? What are the external peripherals? Those are connected with the computer system, that will be a less utilization. Okay, and last one is your such programming tools like editors, debuggers, programmers, program development is very slow. So all these activities, editors, debuggers, program development or program editors, were at functioning very slow manner in case of serial processing. Okay, so in case of serial processing, that means one program will be executed at same time. After completion of a single program, then next program will be executed, which is controlled by the operating system. So user has to wait to complete running run program, then second program will be executed. Okay, then come to batch processing. Okay, so it is the we have detected here that the concurrently processing means simultaneously we can run many programs. So this concurrent processing is for batch processing. Batch means group. Okay, so several or similar programs are grouped together for its processing, which is called batch processing. So similar programs will be executed, will be processed at same time. That is the batch processing. So batch means is a group of similar programs. So by this batch processing, it reduces the eliminating components idle time due to slow manual operations. That means in serial processing, as compared to serial processing, the batch processing reduces the eliminating components idle. So in case of single serial processing, system were become very idle, not busy. Okay, this is idle. So idle times has eliminated. Means it reduces, batch processing reduces the idle time. So all resources were busy always. Okay, so the manual operation was become slow, whereas it reduces this slow speed increase, processing become very fast in case of batch processing. Okay, so this line you have to remember. In batch processing, similar programs are grouped together and they are processing for at a time. So at a time several programs will be executed, and it reduces the idle time and also slow operations. Operations has become fast. Then batch processing offers a great potential for increasing system resource utilization. So resource utilization has become more or better and throughput than simple serial processing. So it provides a high throughput increased and system resource utilization is also increased. Okay, so in serial processing, the system was very slow and cumbersome process, and the resource utilization was not so better. So these are the batch processing. We are discussing about the batch processing. So system resource utilization has also increased and throughput also increased. Then you see, to realize the resource utilization potential for batch processing. So in case of batch processing, we are processing number of programs. Means we are processing for a batch that resource utilization will be better or more efficient. So it is a resource utilization potential for batch processing. A mounted batch of jobs. So similar programs, similar responsibility will be executed automatically or simultaneously. So simultaneously, number of programs will be executed. So system efficient, system processing capability has become increased also. Thus the program productivity becomes high. So in case of serial processing, the program productivity was less, whereas in batch processing operating system or batch processing system, the program productivity has become high. That is, system efficiency becomes better. It becomes better, and the resource utilization is also potential. So overall, resource utilization, computer efficiency, and the potential has increased. So batch jobs are executed one at a time, means so fast processing capability. Okay. So due to this batch processing, system execution has increased, has become very fast. So this is all about the evolutions. So in case of evolutions of the operating system, these are the important factors we are considering. Gradually, in case of single or serial processing and concurrent processing, all these facts, all these aspects were increased. So in case of batch processing, another thing is that, just look, this is the batch processing. So this is batch processing operating system, the operating system which creates a good environment for batch processing, which is usually nowadays we are using batch processing. So nowadays operating system require grouping of similar jobs or consisting of programs, means collections of programs. So it is a number of programs are grouped together to process, to perform this batch processing. This operating system supports all these things. So it requires a grouping of similar jobs consisting of programs, number of programs, similar jobs are grouped together, and also data and system commands. So for batch processing operating system, it requires group of similar jobs, means similar jobs are grouped, and number of programs to be executed, data and system commands. So for these commands we have to use like your disk operating system, where we are using commands. But in case of Windows, also we are providing commands by using a pointing device like mouse. So through mouse we are providing command to the computer system. So in this batch operating system or batch processing, or this operating system uses a large computation time with no need of user interaction or environment. So interaction of the user has become less. Automatically computational speed will be increased. So computational time will be large, because some commands will be given to the computer system, so that processing job will be automatically executed, will automatically handled, automatically done. So these are the batch processing. The programs includes they are using in day-to-day life, that is payroll system. We are providing salary slip, or we are calculating salary wages for the employees of an organization, or we are using this batch processing in nowadays in your organization. So payroll system, that is salary slip, for all employees. We are providing salary or wages that will be automatically handled, controlled by this system. Forecast, weather forecast, forecasting things simultaneously. We can forecast all information, and statistical analysis. This is the statistical analysis for anything. Statistical analysis, we are using this batch processing, the large scientific calculations. So for all these applications, we are using this batch processing operating system. One of the example I have also given, this batch operating system is your IBM's OS 360. Okay, this is the operating system given by the IBM International Business Machine. This operating system is the batch processing operating system. So just compare serial processing, serial processing, and also batch processing. So in serial processing, only a single program were executed. Next program has to wait. After the completion of the first program, then second program will be going to be executed. That means waiting time will be there. Waiting time, second program has to wait. Suppose there are number of programs to be executed, so last program has to wait maximum time. Okay, and at this time some resources was become idle. Okay, in serial processing system, resources was become very idle. So to overcome these difficulties of the first serial processing, batch processing has increased. So in batch processing, it facilitates all the control statements, job control languages that introduce the concept of batch processing. The control statements were used by the operating system identify a new job and what resources needed by the job. That means it accepts, it executes a program, and it decides what to do simultaneously, or what are the programs can be executed at the same time. So the suitability of this type of processing is in batch processing, and the programs with a large computational speed. So computational speed also high, computer performance and also very high in case of this batch processing. So by considering, whenever we are comparing this single processing and concurrent processing, simultaneously, where simultaneously at a time many programs can be executed. So single processing and concurrent processing, serial processing or batch processing. This is the serial processing. One after another, one program will be executed. After successfully run, then second program will be executed. So single processing and concurrent processing. That is the serial processing and batch processing. We are comparing, we are developing while thinking about the operating system's evolution. These are the important factors. Again, I am repeating these things. Processing capability better, productivity is also increased, and the system efficiency is more, and resource utilization is also better. So just compare serial processing and batch processing. Okay, these are the factors, these are the important factors as compared to while comparing serial processing or single processing with concurrent processing. One thing I want to tell that operating system is a system software that coordinates all the operations. Okay, all the operations. So all operations will be handled, will be controlled by this operating system. So in case of batch processing, many programs were simultaneously, concurrently at a time will be executed. So all resources of the computer, those are connected to the computer, will be busy always. So it reduces the ideal time of the resources. Again, in the first class we have discussed the operating system is a resource manager. It is a program execution of the program, and it is also it controls, it coordinates all the operations. It also coordinates or controls all the operations performed by the